Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Vehicle Control System using Bluetooth and obstacle detection and metal detection. So in this project we are using 3.7 volts battery and connected, and it connected to the 5 volts power supply, Arduino R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC, HC05 Bluetooth module for taking the commands of forward, backward, left, right, forward, backward, right, left. Forward, when you are pressing forward, it will automatically stop. Okay, so it's metal detector connected to the 8th pin, Bluetooth module connected with RX TX 2 and 3, external serial communication, HSC-SR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module connected with 8 and 9 and 10, 9, 11 trigger and echo, and here L293D driver IC, quadrupole HBG driver IC, it connected to the robot left motor and right motor. Those are connected with 4, 5, 6, 7 pin numbers. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using two 300 rpm motors to using, and two free wheels, and here metal detector. Okay, so here two batteries we are using, 3.7 volts battery and rechargeable batteries these are. Okay, and on off, power on, power off button, power on, power off, and here Arduino 80 mega 328 controller IC, HC04 HC05 Bluetooth module, and here 5 volts power supply, and metal detector, and this one is HCSR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module. It will detect up to 20 centimeter distance, and here is L293D driver IC for the motor driving purpose. Bluetooth module, metal detector, ultrasonic distance obstacle detection sensor, and the power supply board, and the L293D driver IC, and the batteries. The app name is Bluetooth control. Okay, so app name is BT controller. Okay, so you can go to the Play Store, go to Play Store, sorry, go to Play Store, sorry. Okay, search BT caps lock BT car controller. Oh, mobile data, Wi-Fi on. Okay, BT controller. Okay, so here it is all of BT car control. Okay, so BT car control Arduino, open. Okay, it will open. Then go to here, connect, press this button, it will show you the list. First you have to go for the connection. You have to pair the Bluetooth module first you have to go for the Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth details. Here HC05 is paired. Okay, if you unpair, you can go to unpair. First you have to pair it. That password is 1234. Once pair completed, go to app, Bluetooth control car, then it will show you SC05 app. Okay, so now, okay, so here Bluetooth LED is blinking continuously. Press it. Okay, control success. So otherwise you can press this button and it will show you connect. Okay, then first, okay, forward, backward, left, right, left, right, left, forward, backward. If forward, any obstacle detected, then it will go back, right turn, and then stop. Okay, forward. Okay, if any metal detected, it continuously stops. Okay, once the metal detected, it will totally stop. Okay, then you can restart it. Okay, now we are going to start on board. Okay, stop. Okay, right. Okay, it is back, go back. Okay, then power on, open the app, power on, open the app. Okay, connect SC05 Bluetooth module connected. Give forward, backward, left, right. Okay, go to forward. Okay, forward, any obstacle detected. Okay, back, take right, then stop. Okay, now metal detection, give forward. Okay, no. Okay, metal detected, it will stop. Okay, it is detecting the obstacle. Okay, now any metal detected, there is metal detection, it will stop. Ultrasonic distance measurement, it will go back and take right direction. Any obstacle detected, go back, take right direction. Obstacle detected, go back and take right direction. Okay, forward, backward, forward, backward. Okay, forward, back, take right and then stop. Forward, అడొక డాటా బాక్స్ పెట్టు. ఫార్వర్డ్, ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఆటో బాక్స్ పెట్టు, దెన్ స్టాప్. ఓకే, 20 centimeter distance. Okay, 20 centimeter distance. Forward, take back, right, then go forward. Okay, right turn, left turn, left turn. Okay, forward, backward. Hey, if metal detected, totally it will stop. Metal detection sensor, ultrasonic distance measurement sensor, power supply board, Arduino R3 board, L293D driver IC, and batteries, SC05 Bluetooth module, and on off button, and two 300 RPM motors. Okay, then go to connect. Here press this button, connect. SC05. Once connected, Bluetooth is off. Then go to forward, backward, forward, right.